Hey, this is Jordan from Rapido Trains Inc. And today we're going to be talking about some of our latest product announcements. We've got 4 new products we launched earlier this month. This is June 2023. So why don't we dig into it right now? First up, we have the much anticipated second release of our very popular BiLevel Commuter cars with a variety of new paint schemes and old favorites returning for the second time. Paint schemes include Caltrain, San Diego Coaster, Go Transit in the late paint scheme, the Go Transit Metrolink's updated paint scheme. We have Metrolink in 3 different schemes, including the brand new ribbon logo gray cars, original paint scheme cabs, and the unique white painted ribbon car. This is a one-off, car number 187. We also have Sound Transit, or Seattle's Sounder, and we have a number of conditional releases as well, including Altamont Commuter Express, UTA Frontrunner, and New Mexico Rail Runner. Each paint scheme is available in the correct series or car body style for each road number. Next up, we have the first of 2 ultimately Canadian freight cars. This is the Canadian Pacific NSC 3294 mechanical reefer in HO scale. Delivered exclusively for the Canadian Pacific in 1968, the NSC 3294 mechanical reefers were often considered by some to be the Cadillacs of the North American mechanical reefer fleet. These cars will look right at home mixed into a manifest freight or spotted at that ever-busy packing plant. Paint schemes include CP's original script scheme, multi-mark repaints, as well as the later script patchouts, which include cot stencils, yellow dot stickers, and more. We also have painted unlettered versions available as well. And our optional sound unit also available for separate purchase to be installed to create accurate mechanical reefer sounds. Our second ultimately Canadian HO scale freight car announcement this month is the CN Combo Door NSC 5304 boxcars. Since production, they've applied the rails across North America, hauling all sorts of materials from lumber products to general freight, and could still be seen on the rails into the early 2000s. Paint schemes for our CN 5304 Combo Door boxcars include CN Delivery with the green door, CN Late 80s repaints, the very cool 2-pack Expo 86 Combo Door boxcars, CN North America, which is a single car, as well as Boxcar Red Unlettered. Finally this month, we have the return of a Rapido classic, the GMD1s, in both the as-delivered 1900 series and rebuilt 1400 series versions. Paint schemes for the 1900 series include CN Green Scheme, CN's Noodle Scheme with black cab, CN Noodle with the red cab. In the 1400 rebuild series, we have CN in stripes, and we also have 2 exciting conditional releases. Waterloo Central 1012, which was formerly CN 1437. This unit has been repainted by the Waterloo Central into CN's classic green scheme. And we also have Oregon Pacific 1413, which was former CN 1413. Both of these models are conditional based on the orders we receive by the October 16th deadline. Thanks for joining me for a quick look at our June product announcements. Now we have some order deadlines for these items coming up fairly soon. For the CP Reefer, September 15th is the order deadline for that product, and we'll be going into production fairly soon after that. Meanwhile, the CN 5304 Combo Door boxcars, the new release of HO GMD1s, and BiLevel passenger cars, those deadlines will be coming on October 16th, 2023. So make sure you see your dealer or visit our website to place your pre-orders today. Thanks for joining me once again. We will see you next month for another new product announcement.
Lunatics!